Hello student, today my topic is related to volleyball fundamental skill, terminology of volleyball। कुछ ये छूट गई है जिसके बारे में मैं आज बताऊंगा। आज लास्ट डे है इसका वॉलीबॉल की जो टर्मिनोलॉजी है उसके बारे में। नंबर 1 पॉइंट, लेट्स स्टार्ट। माय टॉपिक इज टर्मिनोलॉजी ऑफ वॉलीबॉल। नंबर 1 पॉइंट today, middle blocker. What is a middle blocker? Related very uh, important question for the exam and viva in a practical. Middle blocker. What is a middle blocker? Usually play in the middle of the net when in the front row and moves laterally to her blocking assignments. This is middle blocker. Middle up. What is the middle up in the volleyball? The terminology. A defensive system that uses a middle blocker play in 6 to cover tips or shot along the 3 meters 10 feet line, also called a 6 of defense. 3 point. Number 3 point, net height. Very important questions. What is the net height for women's and men's? So women's 7 feet and for men's 7 feet, women's 7 feet 4 inches and men 7 feet 11 inches height. अगर हम इसको मीटर में कैलकुलेट करें तो 2.24 फॉर वीमेंस एंड 2.43 मीटर इन फॉर मैन। कभी भी क्वेश्चन का आंसर देंगे जब वाइवा होगा, एग्जामिनर जब पूछेगा, या एग्जाम में अगर सपोज कि ऑब्जेक्टिव क्वेश्चन में ये वाला क्वेश्चन आ जाता है नेट हाइट का, तो आपको मीटर में बताना है कि 2.243 मीटर फॉर मैन नेट हाइट एंड 2.24 मीटर फॉर वीमेंस नेट हाइट। बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन है, इसको ध्यान देना है। और मैं अभी असाइनमेंट जो मैं आज का जो मैं असाइनमेंट आपको दूंगा, उस असाइनमेंट में क्वेश्चन जरूर डालूंगा कि व्हाट इज द हाइट ऑफ द नेट फॉर वीमेन एंड मैन, और ऑब्जेक्टिव में क्वेश्चन आता ही है एग्जाम में। नंबर 5 ऑफ ब्लॉकर। व्हाट इज द ऑफ ब्लॉकर? Outside blocker not included in the double block, also called offside blocker. Number 7, offside shots. And attack that is the intensely slow ball spiked with less the maximum force but with the spine, also called roll shot. Opposite. What is opposite? Player who play opposite the setter in the rotations. In some systems, this player is also a setter. In other systems, this player is called a right side. These are the opposites. Number next point is the outside hitter. What is the outside hitter? Usually play at the end of the net when in the front row, also called right side, opposite or left side power fielder. This is the outside hitters. Number next point, overhand pass. What is the overhand pass? A pass with the both hand open that the control by the fingers with the face below the ball. Both hands stimulate, contact the ball above the head and direct it is to the intended target. Overhand serve. Serving the ball and striking it with the hand above the shoulder, float or spine. Overlap, violations called if a team is lined up out of the rotations when the ball is served. There is an overlap. Overpass, a ball pass across the net. There is an overpass. Overset, an errant set the crosses the net without being the touches by the another offensive player. Next point, quick set, an extremely low vertical set used to beat the opponent's block can be set at any positions on the net. Pass, one of the 6 basic skills, receiving a serve or the first contact of the ball with the intent to control the ball to another player, also called a bump, is a pass. Party ball, this is a very important question for the volleyball and the exam. Viva, what is a party ball? When the ball is passed across the net in front of the attack line so that front row attacker can immediately hit the ball on the first contact. Next point, penetrations. What is the penetrations in the volleyball? This is a terminology, very important terminology. The blocker's ability to reach over the net above the opponent court. This is a penetrations. Next point, parameters. Backcourt defensive, where the 4 player arrange themselves near the boundaries of the court. These are parameters. Pipe, a back row attack from the middle of the court, position 6. This is a pipeline. This is a pipe of the ground. Play, an attack with the planned fake, usually including 2 or more hitters. This is a play. Next point, red card. Very important question for the all game, football, basketball, volleyball, kabaddi, kho-kho. Red card is very important terminology of the game. What is the red card in the volleyball? Given by the officials to a player or coach for the flagrant misconduct resulting in a point side out the opponent, result in automatic ejections and a point side out for the opponent. This is a red card. After then, red card, yellow card. Next point, given by the official to a player or coaches as the warning of the misconduct. 2 yellow card result in a automatic red card. Next point, wipe. To deliberately spike the ball of an opponent's hands and out of the bound, also called a tool. This is a wipe. Next point, serve-receive formations. In a serve-receive formation in volleyball, 3 players in the front of row and 2 the back side. These are serve-receive formations. Number next point, underhand serve. A serve performed with an underhand striking actions. The ball is usually contacted with the heel of the hand. This is a underhand serve. Tandems are combinations in which one player attack immediately behind others. Next point, telegraph. To show one intentions to the opponent. This is a telegraph. Next terminology in volleyball, tape. The tape of the net, upside on the net. There is a tape. 3 meters line. Terminology. The line extended across the court to signify the point, which is a back row. Player must leave the ground behind the attack, the ball, also called attack line, and 10 feet front of the net and 10-foot line. This is attack line, 3 meter line. हम इसको जो है अटैक लाइन भी बोलते हैं, सेंटर लाइन भी बोलते हैं, और सॉरी अटैक लाइन बोलते हैं, 3 मीटर लाइन भी बोलते हैं. तो हम किसी चीज से भी इसे जान सकते हैं. अटैक लाइन का अगर क्वेश्चन आ जाए तो उसे 3 मीटर बोल के भी हम डेफिनेशन दे सकते हैं. नेक्स्ट टर्मिनोलॉजी, टिप. A one-handed soft hit into the opponent's court using the fingertips, also called a dink. Your tips. Next point. Next terminology, tool. When the attacker hits the ball of an opposing blocker's arm out the bound, also called a wipe. Next point, touch. A player contacting the ball on the defensive play, this is a touch. Next terminology, transitions. To switch from the offensive to defensive and vice versa. These are transitions. Triple block. Block formed by all 3 front row player. This is a triple block. Next terminology, seam. The midpoint between 2 players. Seam. Shallow. Near the net, this is shallow. Sank. Thoroughly. Mid directed pass, this is thoroughly. Sank. Six pack. Being hit in the face with the ball. Six pack. 6-2. An offense with 4 spikers and 2 spikers. Setter come from the back. 6-2. Slight step. A quick attack behind the setter. This is slight step. Split block. Main important terminology. A double block the leaves a space between the blockers. Split block. Stuff. What is stuff? A ball deflected back to the attacking team floor by the opponent blocker. This is stuff. Switch. To change the court position after a ball is served to facilitate strongest player positions. Next point, dig. Digging. Volleyball. Dig is a key element of the defense in the sports of volleyball if done right. Volleyball dig can also become the beginning of the successfully volleyball attack. When digging the ball correctly, you make it easy for a volleyball attacker to carry out the successful hit. So, the job of the volleyball digger is to resist the opposing team's attack and then help her teammates. Carrying out a successfully attack hit, in the other word, a digger has delivered a ball to the right place on the वॉलीबॉल कोर्ट. कई बार प्लेयर जो है दौड़कर पीछे से आता है और दौड़ने के बाद जंप लेकर जब बॉल को ग्राउंड से ही हल्का सा पुश करता है, उसको उठाता है, हवा में उसको फेंकता है, तो उसको कई बार जो है कोई भी हिस्सा उसका जो है हैंड का लग सकता है बॉल पर, तो जिससे बॉल उछलती है. कई बार वो स्किट भी कर जाता है प्लेयर, जिसे डिगिंग पोजिशंस. वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट इन द वॉलीबॉल. क्वेश्चन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट. व्हाट इज डिग? Stance. Important terminology in volleyball. It is important to keep your knees bend the remain in a slow stance. For your ready positions, you should be lower than you are to the receive serve. Keep your weight balanced on your toe so you can spring forward or to the side to get the ball bent at the waist. To put your shoulder over your knees and keep your arm out to the side just wider than your knees. This is stance. Positioning. Get into the point is very important. Positionings. बहुत सारी पोजीशन चेंज होती है, 6 पोजीशन रोटेशन में चलती है और कई बार जो है फिक्स गेम में जो भी वॉलीबॉल का फिक्स गेम होता है उसमें भी रोटेशन प्लेयर को किया जाता है. तो पोजीशनिंग, रोटेशन, द पार्ट ऑफ द वॉलीबॉल और किसी भी स्थिति में कहीं ना कहीं रोटेट प्लेयर होता रहता है. तो पोजीशनिंग क्या है उसकी, व्हाट इज द पोजीशनिंग इन द वॉलीबॉल? द इंपॉर्टेंट टर्मिनोलॉजी: get into positions according to the defense your team is a player. You are responsible for the getting the ball up in your sections of the court. Watch the ball and be ready for anything. This is the positioning. Hold and get ready for the hard driven ball. The goal. The goal is to dig the ball with both arms. So once you see where the ball is headed, bring your arms together, connect your hand and create your flat platform. Do not swing your arms. If the ball is hit to your right, bring your left arm to meet your right on the right side of your body. Do not connect your hand in the center of your body and swing your arms out to the ball. This helps you control the hard driven ball. Sometimes it is impossible to get to the ball with the two hands. In case it is more important to get the ball up. Then to use the perfect form, make a fuss with your hand and reach the ball with one arm if you have to and get the ball up in the reach of one of your teammates. Overhand kick. The next point, if the ball come off the block hard and high, you may need to reach up over your head to get it. You can strike the ball with the heel of your palm, making sure it goes up and towards the net, remaining of your side. The overhead dig is not easy to the control as a standard dig. If it be used as the last resort. Then to use the perfect form, make a fuss with your hand and reach the ball with one arm if you have to and get the ball up in the reach of one of your teammates. Overhand kick. The next point, if the ball come off the block hard and high, you may need to reach up over your head to get it. You can strike the ball with the heel of your palm, making sure it goes up and towards the net, remaining of your side. The overhead dig is not easy to the control as a standard dig. If it be used as the last resort. Driving. The next point, is the ball at a distance from you and you do not have enough time to get 3 there may moving your feet, you may want to drive for it. Take a step toward the ball, reach out with your body and sprawl, playing through the ball and any alignments. It back toward the setter at the net. Practice driving without the ball so you can learn how to avoid landing hard on your hip. Knees are or elbow also drive out, not down, so you can slide, not thumb when you hit the floor. If done right, driving should not hurt. Next terminology, next point, pancake. What is a pancake? In a volleyball, a pancake is the most often done when a ball is falling to the floor. When the nearest defensive player is far away, take a few steps and drive as far as you can through the air. Slide your hand firmly on the ground. This is a pancake in volleyball. Spiral forward, extend your arm underneath the ball and drive the body forward to the floor. If the ball is below knee height, you must adjust your arms so they are parallel to the floor in order to dig the ball. This is done by bend the elbow or curling the wrist. You may also take a step forward and lean to get into a lower positions. Spiral and forward spiral. Side spiral, the next point and last point. Spiral to the side while changing the position of your arm by the dropping your inside shoulder. Manipulating the positions of your arm is important to directly the ball to the target area. Some important terminologies जो मैंने आपको पढ़ाई हैं बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है मेरे हिसाब से तो 30 and 40 टर्मिनोलॉजी मैंने आपको 3 days में कंप्लीट कराई हैं और आप लोग इसको तैयारी करेंगे। मैंने एक एक पॉइंट्स आपको समझाया है एग्जाम के लिए, इसमें से ही एग्जाम में आएगा। ऑब्जेक्टिव में भी आ सकता है, वाइवा में पूछा जा सकता है। मैक्सिमम जो स्टूडेंट हैं वॉलीबॉल के हैं, 12th क्लास में वॉलीबॉल ही लेते हैं। कुछ बच्चे फुटबॉल के हैं जैसे सिद्धार्थ डबोला हो गया और आपका जो है अतुल राठौर हो गया, ये फुटबॉल के बच्चे हैं। वॉलीबॉल के मैक्सिमम हैं और जो कम से कम है वो फुटबॉल के। तो फुटबॉल, वॉलीबॉल और बैडमिंटन 3 चीजें चलेंगी। इन तीनों स्पोर्ट्स की मैं टर्मिनोलॉजी और फंडामेंटल स्किल्स आपको समझाऊंगा, ऑनलाइन समझाऊंगा, क्लास शुरू होगी उसमें समझाऊंगा। तो ये मेरा जो टॉपिक है वॉलीबॉल, ये आज मैंने अपना कंप्लीट कर दिया है। 3 and 4 days इसमें लगे हैं। आप लोग इसको तैयार कर लें, नेक्स्ट मौका मिले या ना मिले। दिस इज रिवीजन द वॉलीबॉल, पहले भी पढ़ाया था मैंने वॉलीबॉल, अभी लास्ट टाइम पढ़ा दिया है। आने वाला जो समय है बहुत कम है, एग्जाम के लिए टाइम कम मिलेगा। आप लोग तैयार रहें, अलर्ट रहें और जो मेरे लेक्चर हैं इन लेक्चरों को भी आप देखें क्योंकि कई सारी इंपॉर्टेंट चीजें आपको जो है लेक्चर पे भी मिल जाएंगी। ओके स्टूडेंट, कुछ सम क्वेश्चन आई विल गिव यू इन असाइनमेंट 55-56 आप लोग उसको करेंगे। 2 days का टाइम मिलेगा आपको। थैंक यू वेरी मच, गॉड ब्लेस यू, बेस्ट ऑफ लक।